Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing G++ and making sure the compiler is on your path so VS Code can invoke it. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and the Microsoft C/C++ extension to get language support and debugging. Make a project folder, open it in VS Code, and add a main CPP file with a simple main function. This gets you out of theory and into execution quickly. You'll be ready to compile as soon as the editor recognizes the toolchain. Now you set up the commands that actually build and debug. Open the integrated terminal and try G++ GOApp main. CPP, this compiles with debug info so breakpoints work. Then make a tasks. JSON that runs that G++ command automatically on build. Tasks save time and prevent typos. Next, create a launch. JSON that points to the produced executable and uses GDB or the C++ debugger type, so you can start the debug. You're at the finish line. Run the program from the terminal with /app or hit start in the run pane. Make sure to set breakpoints and use step in, step over, and continue to inspect behavior. Check variables in the debug sidebar. Once satisfied, create a build task key binding for fast iteration. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Double-check that the G++ binary on path is the one you expect, and that launch/tasks JSON point to the correct executable and folders.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.